Hi, today I will show you how to remove and replace earpads cushions on JBL Quantum 300 gaming headphones. And how to disassemble the JBL Quantum 300 headset, so you can fix it more easily when one of the wires is broken. This tutorial on how to change JBL earpads will also work for the Quantum 200, Quantum 600 and Quantum 100 headset models. Removing the JBL Quantum 300 earpads cups is quite easy, using your finger to slowly tear it off. Pry it around in a circle until the earpads come off. As you can see, it was held on by 6 plastic hooks and 2 centering pins. The other earpad cushion can be removed in the same way, using your finger to tear it off in a circle until it comes off. To disassemble the headphone side where is located cable, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew all the screws, but be careful that the screws do not fall into the speaker driver, because the speaker magnet can attract into the screws and the headphones, or this one speaker, will be dead. There is disassembled JBL Quantum 300 side where the cable enters, there are a lot of wires. Hopefully seeing the wiring will help it get fixed someday. Screw all the screws back in, take the correct earpad cup, right side is where the cable is not, left side is with the cable. Slowly put the earpad on top, place the pad on the center pins first. Once you've done that, push it all the way around so that it hooks behind all 6 hooks. Then do the same with the other earpad. New earpads replacement can be found on eBay, Amazon, Aliexpress or in the video description. If you found the video useful, don't be a mushroom and like this video and subscribe to Techscrew channel if you want to see some more useful headphone repair. Good luck.